CRM stock analysis is for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Salesforce is great. I mean, the best CRM out there. I'm just kidding. But ultimately, if I come to the weekly chart, for me, this is a bullish range, you know, bullish market. And all that to say is that I actually have proof, because I'm, you know, was waiting for rules back then. I have proof of just trying to be bullish here when it was way back then at around 252 bucks, right? This is like 8 months ago, 1st of September. That was great. And all I have to say here is that I'm still looking to double down. You can see that the only thing that made me be bullish here, I mean, nothing made me be bullish because the rules still are not met, but the only thing that's going to make me be bullish is a double break. And if that does not quite happen, then I'm not going to buy. It's very simple. So yeah, that's all I'm just waiting for, like waiting for the rules to be met. And if they're not, then I'm not buying. So CRM stock here. If you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. Goodbye.